All right, guys, we're back. We're going to talk a little bit about something called collinear and non-collinear, and then coplanar and non-coplanar. So, um, collinear, I want you to think about the root of that word. And, if you're thinking about linear, well, that means something on a line. And so for something to be collinear, okay, think about co means together, right? And so collinear are points that lie on the same line. And remember, when we defined this last time, we said, or we defined a line, I guess, we said that any 2 points make up a line. So in our example, points M, N, and D would be collinear, which means that non-collinear points would be points that do not lie on the same line. So M, N, and O. I couldn't draw a straight line through them. Okay, I don't want you to get confused because sometimes you won't have a straight line drawn through them. However, if you could, even in the picture, if you could, I want you to assume, well, I could draw a straight line through them. So if you can, then that means that they are collinear, even if the picture doesn't have it. So some of you might get tripped up on the kind of example that we have to go through, that we're going to go through in a little bit, or that you're going to do on your own, and that's why. The other two vocab words that we're going to go over really quick are coplanar and non-coplanar. So it kind of means the same thing. Coplanar, remember, we need 3 points to make a plane. I can draw a plane or a flat surface through any 3 points in our world that we live in here. And so coplanar points are points that lie on the same plane. And remember, like I said, any 3 non-collinear points. So as long as I've got these 3 points and they don't form a straight line, like I can't draw a line through X, Y, and Z, right? I can't draw a straight line. It would be a zigzag. But because those lines, or those points, are not collinear, I know no matter what, they make a plane, so they're coplanar. Now, points that do not lie on the same plane, I need at least like 4 of them, right, to be non-coplanar, because even if I talked about like Y, Z, and W, I could draw a plane through those, even though I don't have a picture of them, I don't have a box drawn around them, I could make one. But in this case, I couldn't draw a plane through all 4 of those points, okay? That's why they're non-coplanar. It means they're points that do not lie on the same plane. So I'm going to give you a few minutes, and I want you to go answer the questions in the middle of this paper, and then you're going to come check it with me, or like during class time or on Wednesday.